Street Machine daily invites viewers into a world where ordinary cars become testbeds for speed, art, and unchained mechanical rebellion. Watch craftsmen swap engines, install custom CNC panels, and tune suspensions while battle-ready burnouts erupt and acrid tire smoke fills the air. Each build blends cutting-edge tech with raw muscle, from data-rich dyno sessions to live acceleration runs that push limits. We celebrate street racing culture with safe demonstrations, audience challenges, and calls to join the community through comments and clubs. If you crave clangs, hood glow, and the roar of a burnout, this channel is for you.